The robot, the battery is low and he's trying to find his charger. It is cool. It's not there. Where's your charger? You need to find it. To your left. To the left, robot. To your left. We'll see if he can really find his charger. I'm afraid if you're gonna run out of battery and you can't find your charger, what are you gonna do?
It'll just die somewhere.
Well, that's not really the point of having the robot. They should find their way to get charged, you know. Where'd the robot go? It's right there. It's trying to find its way back.
There, I guess I could plug it in there.
Yeah. I think that's a good idea over there actually. So it's,
Instead of over. Well, I thought it.
I
Yeah,
don't know.
I don't know either.
Oh, the other is
No.
robot, come over here. Here's your charger.
I'm afraid we get more cooperation from Gabriel to go from that thing.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm just gonna have to fetch it because I think it's just gonna eventually crap out.
Yeah.
I mean, I haven't really got it figured out yet, so.
Right. Robot, where are you going? This way.
I'm gonna just get it.
I guess my husband is gonna get the robot. Gabriel. And
Yeah. Ow.
shoot.
Great, you got that on video?
Yeah.
Perfect. Wonderful.
Gabriel, no. Okay, you really need to go back where you belong, Gabe.
No. You try it.
Now it's charging. Just get back home. He's standing.
Now, what does that mean? I presume that means it's charging.
I have no idea.
That doesn't sound good. It's
Nope.
blinking red and beeping. That doesn't
It
sound like
doesn't.
it's. Let's see here. Charging. Glows a solid pink or blue.
So it means that's not charging then.
Has a problem. Flashes red and glows,
That's the one.
or glows a solid red. So it has a problem.
Flashing red, yeah, the problem.
3 beeps, 3 times. Empty the dustbin. Okay. Motor fan abnormal. Oh, that's glowing red now. It's flashing red. Failure to get out of trouble. Place the robot on an even surface. Remove the obstacles and restart the robot. Okay, well. So it's still. Now. So.
So
I've already got the app. Now what I have to do with this thing is I have to